Hi there, and thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a low sodium white pizza. So let's begin. Step 1, dust a baking pan with cornmeal. Step 2, add roughly 1.5 teaspoons of yeast and a teaspoon of honey to a mixing bowl. Step 3, add 1/3 cup of warm water, roughly 110 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, to the mixture and let the mixture sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, here's what it should look like. Step 4, add in a half cup of flour and a drizzle of olive oil. Step 5, mix and knead the dough for a few minutes, ultimately forming it into a ball. Step 6, place the ball of dough into a greased mixing bowl, cover it with a cloth, and let it sit to rise for at least an hour, or until it doubles in size. While it's rising, let's get our white pizza sauce together. For our white sauce, we're going to use unsalted condensed cream of mushroom soup. It has only 50 milligrams of sodium per serving, and each serving is a half cup. Today we're going to be using a quarter cup, so that's only 25 milligrams of sodium for the sauce. Step 7, we're going to saute diced onions and minced garlic in a pan and then add in our quarter cup of the cream of mushroom soup. Step 8, we're going to mix it all together, add the spices of our choice, add some water if you want to thin it out a bit, but once everything comes together in the pan, it'll be ready to use. Step 9, after the dough rises, form it into a pizza crust and place it on your pizza pan. I aerate the dough with my fingertips, like you can see in the picture, but you don't have to. Step 10, spread the white pizza sauce evenly over the dough. Step 11, thinly slice some tomatoes and add them to your pizza, like so. Step 12, take 2 slices of Swiss cheese and cut, slice, dice, or chop them up however you wish and add them to your pizza. Step 13, bake your pizza for 15 to 20 minutes at a 450-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven. I cooked mine for 18 minutes, and here's what it looks like. Step 14, once it's all done baking, take it out of the oven and top it with sun-dried tomatoes and seasonings of your choice. I used red pepper flakes and crushed jalapeno peppers. And here's our pizza. Cut, serve, and enjoy. And here's the sodium breakdown. The sauce, like I said, 25 milligrams. Cheese, 70 milligrams. Sun-dried tomatoes, 5 milligrams. So that's in total 100 milligrams of sodium for this whole pizza. Now, there's so many ways to make a tasty, low sodium white pizza. You could make a homemade pesto sauce. You could do butter and garlic. You could use a high smoke point oil. But the thing I like about this condensed cream of mushroom soup is that it's very rich. It feels like a proper white sauce. And at 100 milligrams of sodium all told for the entire pizza, you can't go wrong. So dress it up, make it your own, and enjoy. And I hope this was a blessing and an inspiration and an encouragement to everyone out there with a low sodium diet. White pizza is not off the table. You just have to be a little inventive. So thank you again for watching, and may God bless you in Jesus' name. Take care.